At the beginning, when we first started watching like educational YouTube videos and just YouTube videos in general, it was very beneficial to us. We learned about like building a business, we learned about fitness and health and like going to the gym and building muscles and everything like that. But now you just waste a bunch of time on here just like scrolling away, watching the next video, watching the next video, watching the next video, and you already know you already know everything you need to do, bro. You know bro, you already know like the 10 next steps in your business. You're just not taking action on them. You already know exactly what you do to get big muscles, eat protein, eat calories, and then fucking hit the gym, go to failure, bro. You already know everything. So maybe just make this video right here the last video, or if you don't even want to watch this video, you could also just click off right now. I would actually not prefer you click off right now because then it would give me less views, etc, etc. But if you feel like you don't need this video, then just click off and then go do the thing that you've been like procrastinating from doing. But I'll like kind of talk about how you can go ahead and like quit YouTube while still getting the value out of it. And this is something that I used, and it's so beneficial. And bro, once you know about this, you will probably never go back to just watching YouTube like a normie. So yeah, let's get to it. So first thing about like YouTube, if you have like a limiting belief right now where you're like, oh yeah, but YouTube is good for me, YouTube is good for me, and I'm learning a bunch of stuff. It's like true, but the strategy that I'm gonna be like discussing at the end of the video for retention or whatever, it just makes the most sense to talk about it at the end. But yeah, so stick for that. The thing is, the problem that we all have right now is that we see a benefit in consuming YouTube videos. We see that, oh yeah, but Alex Hormozi, $100 million money models. I'm learning this, I'm learning that, bro. Just read the book. Just read the book. You can listen to the podcast, everything like that. I will get to that, but it's just like you might be learning some shit from your mentors on YouTube, learning this and learning that, but what do you also consume on YouTube? It's like 10% of your consumption. You also consume, I don't fucking know, like fitness videos, and you consume this video and that video, and then fitness videos, like, it's up to a point it's okay, but bro, after you've watched like 10 fitness videos, you don't need to watch anything more. You already know everything you need to know, right? So yeah, what more? Yeah, it's just like a waste of time. You go to watch some productive videos on the recommended page. There is a bunch of like challenge video. Oh, I tried taking 200 grams of creatine every single day for a month or some shit like that. And you'll click on that shit because you're used to that shit, bro. It's just for any benefit. So that's the any benefit. Just because there is a benefit to something doesn't mean that it is justified. It's like you could make $10, and right off the bat, you would be like, oh yeah, $10, yeah, $10. I'll make that. But the requirement to make the $10 is you have to pay $1,000. It's like, bro, fuck you, bro. No, I don't want the $10. I don't want the $10 because now you realize, oh yeah, I'm paying more for the $10, so it might not even be worth it. That's the exact same thing with watching these like maybe not this video because you're learning something different. Maybe not. Maybe I'm just coping. I feel like I am making a good impression on like the viewership. Also, I posted a video where I said I like quit and like deleted social media, and a bunch of the comments were like, bro, how you then posting? Shut up, yo, bro. That's not the point of the video. It's just like, I don't watch a single YouTube video anymore. I don't watch any YouTube videos. I just literally go, I have like this camera, Sony ZV-1. I go to my PC, plug it in, and then I upload it through the PC. It's like, bro, that's YouTube Studio, not YouTube, right? Anyway, so yeah, it's just, you're watching a bunch of random bullshit videos. You keep on being stimulated. Bro. Also, the fact that you believe that it is kind of productive for you to consume YouTube is just like the worst, because what will happen then is when you're supposed to do the work that you should be doing, you'll just go to YouTube because, oh yeah, that's also productive. But it's like, no, it's not. You know everything you need to do. You know everything. You don't need more information. You don't need more step-by-step plans on how to make $10,000 a month. You don't need any of that stuff, bro. You already know exactly what you need to do. If you haven't already, like, I'm assuming like you're an entrepreneur and you actually like know your niche and you've already like put in some action and everything like that. And yeah, I could give you like guaranteed results with the first link in the description. But let's go over the way on how you could actually consume YouTube without watching it. So not like consuming it, but still like gain the positives. Like you can still get the $10 without paying the $1,000. Now you like pay $1 and you get $10 back. So now you're like, oh yeah, $1, let me get it $10, right? I call this the audiobook strategy. Yeah, that's what I call it. It's a weird name. The audiobook strategy. Basically what you do is you go on to YouTube, right? You see who you're subscribed to, and then you're like ruthless with those people. You might even make a new YouTube channel because you want to keep it or whatever. Just if you aren't subscribed to like over 100 people, just follow through with this, okay? You go through your subscriptions, then you're like, does this person make my life better or worse? Then you're like, oh no, it's this dude, it's just like purely entertainment, and then there's a bit of education, but no, unsubscribe. You go to the next person. Oh, this person, they might be helping me a little bit. Unsubscribe, 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 unsubscribe. Until you come up to a person and you're like, oh shit, yeah, this person is actually talking about my specific niche. I'm actually learning a fuck ton about this stuff. I'm learning about mindset, everything like that. There's no entertainment. There's no like random fucking background music. There's no like crazy edits or anything like that. This person might actually like, yeah, I think this dude is actually making my life better. And then you just keep the subscription. You go through all your subscriptions like that. Unsubscribe, 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 unsubscribe. Until you have about 1, 2, 3, 5 people. I would say like maximum like 3 people. These people are your mentors, and you probably already regard them as your mentors. And then once you have that list of like 1 to 3 people, I have literally a list of one person, and then I have like a secondary person. So yeah, you don't need to know. Anyway, what do you do now that you have these 2 people? You might think, oh yeah, oh that's smart, bro. Then now I just only watch those people. No, you don't watch them. What you do now is you go onto Google, you search for 4K YouTube to MP3 converter. You go here, you download that software. Now you go onto YouTube. You go onto these people's videos. You get their links to the videos, and then you paste them into that software, and now you will have an MP3 version of it. Why do you want an MP3 version? Because when it's an MP3 version, it is less stimulating. You will still get the like value from it. And if there is like, if you had any form of cope of like, oh yeah, but this video is actually like educational, but I need to look at the visuals. Maybe you do, but bro, any benefit, bro, it might not be worth it to you. I see that 99% of educational videos, if you need a visual for like to see it, like to understand it, it's not worth it, because most of like entertainment videos, they're like something is happening on the screen and everything like that. Educational videos is mostly just audio. Like you could get the gist of this video just from listening to it, right? That's how I define like educational video, because then it's educational. You could get all the value from just the audio. There might be some visual aspect that looks good, and I'll try to like set up the camera so it's like looks good with this like background and everything like that, but that's a side point, right? Now what do? Now you have the MP3 files on your PC. You go onto Google Drive, you make a new folder, you upload the audio files to there. Now what do? You go onto your phone, you open the drive, and you download all the MP3 files. Now you have the files on your phone, right? Now what you do is you go to the Play Store, the Google Store, whatever it's called. You download this other application called Smart Audiobook Player. Now that you have this, you upload the MP3s to that, and it's not even uploading, you just change the files. It takes like 2 seconds, and then you have it on your phone as an audiobook. And for example, let me find it for you right here. Hopefully I don't get, yeah, I don't even care. Look at this. So now I have it right here. You can see I have like, you might not be able to see it, but listen to this.
Results come in proportion to enthusiasm applied. Enthusiasm is simply,
I don't know if you can hear that, but it's just now you can also get like audiobooks onto your phone for free. You have to pay for a subscription for the software. There are like free trials and you can use them for free. It's just shit. It's like $25, bro. $25 is worth it, bro. Just fucking buy it, right? And yeah, now what you can do is you can get all your mentors' stuff. You can listen to them in audiobook form, so now they're not stimulating. And now it's like, do I want to work on my business, or do I want to listen to this like audiobook version of this video? Let me just work on my business, but you can still listen to them, right? So it's like, you don't lose any of the value, you still get everything. So yeah, that's a very good strategy. And if you want like to make sure that you actually did this correctly, and if you want to make sure that you actually get results, I will guarantee that you get the results that you want. You'll go from A to Z within your screen time, like Z to A, whatever it's called, right? You go from the position that you're in right now to your desired position within screen time, 0 minutes a day, etc., etc. And if you don't get the result that you want, you don't even pay. First thing in the description, see if you qualify. So yeah, take some action. The guys already in there, bro. They're loving it. And it sounds weird to say, bro. It'll make more sense if I made them say. They'll in a little time they'll make like testimonials from me, everything like that. Anyway, click on the first link in the description. Take some action. Have a good rest of the day. See you, brother.